Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of viewing where you were mentioned in X. Keeping track of mentions allows you to stay engaged and connected with others. So, let's dive into the full guide. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Take a moment to launch the app and ensure you're on the home screen. Step 2. Locate the bell icon at the bottom drawer of the app. Give it a tap to access the Notifications tab. Step 3. In the Notifications tab, you'll find a top drawer with various options. Tap on Mentions to filter and view only the notifications where you were mentioned. Step 4. Look for a notification that indicates a mention. Give it a tap, and X will take you directly to the thread where the mention occurred. Viewing. Where you were mentioned in X is a fantastic way to stay connected and engaged with the community. It allows you to respond to mentions, join conversations, and stay active on the platform. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to view where you were mentioned in X. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.